So after using the WD-40, I got some gunk to come out of the screw. So it's not turning. If I had waited a little longer, it might break. The screw goes up through here and catches onto the threaded part, which is a part of this metal handle. I have to shut off the house water. This is the hot water adjust, which I don't want to change. I'm going to have to undo this screw, come back. Clean out a little bit from the inside. I'm going to use a flashlight to look in there. I see nothing special. New core. Should just slide right in. Okay, the valve is reinstalled now. So I'm now going to close it back up and the clip ring is back. And I have to put it in through here, catch the threads on the inner middle part. I'm now going to screw the screw in, but I know that the hot and cold work. Okay, I'm now going to put that back. Now I'm going to reattach this. Screw right back in. I'm going to put this back on. So these are the tools that I either used or attempted to use. Instruction manuals not included. And this is the old core, which I could keep around, but it's probably done. And if I turn it on cold water will come out. And if I turn it on hot water will start coming out.